Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok login problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you wanna do is scroll until you find TikTok app and then click on it like this. When you click on the TikTok app, it will take you here to the app informations page. Click on this force stop and then go to the storage here. Here you will find the internal storage data. Now you have to click on clear data and then click on delete. And then go back and open the data usage option right here. Scroll and then go to the network access option and disable all those options and enable them back again, and then go back and do one last thing, which is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.